If you're looking for an affordable, adorable house here in Des Moines, this is it. This property features nearly 1,000 square feet, 2 beds, 2 baths, and it has a great layout. Additionally, it has an awesome yard. Check this out right here. Now, let's go check out the inside. All right, as you come inside, you'll see a really nice flow with this house. You have a good sized living room, as you can tell right here. And as you progress here, you have a nice sized dining area. The owners have done a really nice thing here where they've added some additional storage. It's almost like a pantry, but it also can be used as like a coffee nook. Some additional storage here. You have your dining space right over here. And then as you progress now throughout this main floor, you'll come now to the kitchen. So the kitchen here, you have your dishwashers included, then you got your refrigerator, then you got your oven and microwave right here. So very well laid out. The flooring's been updated over the last few years, so it's a really nice feature because you got updated, carpet over there. Then you have that additional updated flooring right here. What's pretty rare for this size of a house is that you actually have 2 bathrooms. We'll check that out right now. So yeah, really good layout here. It's actually pretty spacious. Again, for this price point in this area of town, it's really hard to get a second bathroom. This is a great value, and it's awesome to have 2 baths. Off the kitchen, you have a mudroom. Big fan of main floor laundry. So you got laundry right here, so you have some additional storage right here. And right outside here, you have your deck. Then you have your 1-stall attached garage. And you can kind of see over here, you have a shed, and then you have chickens right there. Those can be included if you want them. But we want to go over here and check out the yard. So as you can see, this yard, it has a great layout. So if you're looking for your kids to have a safe place to play in the yard, or for your dog, this is a wonderful sized yard. What I really like about this yard is it's just how it's all set up. It's very efficiently laid out. And it's a big deal right here because you have your garage parking spot here, but then you have an additional parking spot here. So it's really hard to get this well laid out of a yard in this parking situation for the price that this house is at. All right, now we're gonna go progress to the second floor. The second floor features 2 beds and a full bathroom. So here's the primary bedroom. Right here, it's very good size. You got a lot of space in here. This is a really nice feature to have. All right, then we're gonna continue over here. So you got your full bathroom right here, but before we check that out, we're gonna check out bedroom number 2. Good space. Right now it's being used obviously as an office, but plenty of space for a queen bed. You got your closet right there. All right, now let's check out the full bath. So as you can see, this really nicely updated bathroom here. You have new flooring. Then additionally, you have an updated vanity. When we check out the shower here, really nice tile backsplash in the shower there. And then additionally, right here, you have backsplash off the sink. Really, really nice full bathroom here on the second floor. If you're looking for an affordable and amazing house, this is it. This property's been well taken care of. You got updated flooring, updated interior paint, 2 beds, 2 baths, nearly 1,000 square feet, fenced in yard, a 1-stall detached garage, and if you want chickens, there's chickens included as well. But this property is awesome. If you have any questions, please reach out.